Today's flight takes you to the planet Millennium. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers.
Remain seated and supervise your
Take them
race.
off, put them below your seat. Once again, all bags have to come on.
めっちゃテンション上がるんだけど。
待ってこれやばいんじゃん。
はい、でも修理わかんないけ
Bags
ど
and。backpacks on the floor, seatbelts on. The seatbelts are going to go from the side of your seat to the center of the aisle. So grab the seatbelt, pull it over, buckle in.
修理頼むよ。
Everybody press your
任
button.
せてください。
こういうのやればいいんじゃない？
Flight engineers.
操縦お願いしますよ。
Better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly. Push forward to fly down.
ぶつかってます、ぶつかってます。やばいとこやった。
Get on line.
ちょっと操縦してください。
オッケー。
青いのついたらね、置けばいい。
あ、やばいやばいやばい。
Left pilot, hit the boosters.
オッケー。あ、オッケーオッケー、よかったよかったよかっ
That coaxium.
た。もう大丈夫、もう大丈夫。
Ready to jump to light speed.
誰が敵？
おー、すごい、おー、すごい、おー、すごい、そっちで。え？えぐい。
Train.
オッケーオッケーオッケーオッケーオッケー。オッケー。
Yes.
オッケー。
Keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
オッケー。
エンジニア分かったよこれ。押せばいい。
光ったら、
アップアップアップアップ。アップアップアップ、ナイス。
Ah, there it is. After
何が
that
敵？
train.
ここ入るよ。
Flight engineer.
Okay.
Fire
あ
the
の中じゃん。
Excellent. Now, gunners.
Up,
Shoot the
up,
cargo
up.
free.
Okay.
Pilot. Oh, my. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay. It's much worse.
お。
Ah, yes. You got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Engineers, hit your flashing button. And it's harder than it looks.
わかんないけど面白いよ。
右行く右行く。
Gunship. Oh, that's it. Things are getting too hot. We're getting it out there.
エンジニア。エンジニア。
Distraction! Ah, fire the missiles at the train!
Okay.
Hurry.
あれ？
It's coming down! Left pilot, hit the boosters! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here!
ちゃんと反映される。
ちょっと操縦？危ない。
Yes, Joey will pilot us in. Remove one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance.
Nice.
The first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. That's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe.
暗いな。
All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something. Welcome back to Batu.